Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming eligibility and enabling monetization. Make sure your Rumble account is verified and linked to a payout method like bank or PayPal. Once done, set a clear niche and upload schedule because RPM depends on audience fit and retention. Next, enable any ad options and content licensing that Rumble offers, since those increase effective earnings per view. You should also prepare at least one monetized video with solid watch time. This triggers data Rumble uses to calculate revenue rates. You now calculate RPM and examine the factors that drive it. RPM equals total revenue divided by 1,000 views, so gather Rumble payout reports and impressions data. Once you have numbers, separate ad revenue versus licensing income because each has different CPMs. Make sure to segment by geography and content category, since US and premium niches often pay higher CPMs. Also monitor watch time and click-throughs, because advertisers bid more for engaged viewers. Over time, these metrics raise your average dollars per 1,000 views. You finish by optimizing and collecting payouts. Adjust thumbnails, metadata, and video length to boost retention, since higher retention raises ad value and RPM. Once your balance reaches Rumble's threshold, request payout and record earnings for taxes. Use Form 1099 or your local equivalent if applicable. If payouts look unusually low, troubleshoot. Compare RPM across videos, test different ad/licensing options, and diversify with channel memberships or external sponsors to stabilize income. If problems persist, contact Rumble support with specific analytics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.